To transfer full access to a page to someone else, what to do is to open your Facebook app, and then at the top right hand corner you're going to see your profile picture. So just tap on it. Then you scroll down a bit, you're going to see the option pages. You tap on it and it will show you all the pages you manage. Then you tap on the page you want to transfer access to. So let's say I want to transfer access to this account. Let me tap on this. Then it will ask you to switch. When you switch, it will give you proper control over the page so that you perform the action. So you tap on switch. So now this page is now opened, and then you can go ahead. Then at the top you're going to see 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it. Then you scroll down a bit and you will see the option settings and privacy. Tap on it. Then tap on settings again. So this page will open up for you. Then you scroll down a bit, and then under audience and visibility you will see the option page setup. Tap on it. Then this page will open up again. You will see the name of the page, page access, page management history and all. So you tap on page access. You're going to see people with task access, people with Facebook access. So because you want to transfer complete ownership to someone else, you go to the option that says people with Facebook access. Then you tap on add new. Then tap on next. Here you can now search by name at the top. So you tap on the search bar. So you search for the name of the person you want to transfer access to. Let's say I want to transfer access to, let's say, Hajara. Okay, this person at the top, Hajara Joy. So you tap on it. So one very important point to take note of at this point is that you have to scroll down again a bit. Make sure you scroll to the end, and this option is going to pop up. Allow this person to also have full control. Now, because you want to transfer access or ownership, you have to locate this very option and then tap on this button, which is currently gray. Tap on it and turn it on, and it will turn blue. By doing this, you see at the bottom it says anyone with full control can give access to others, remove anyone from the page, or delete the page. Now, because you want to transfer permanent ownership of this page to this very person, you have to ensure that you turn this button on, else the person will only have access to the page to make posts, control 1 or 2 things on the page, but they will not be able to have some access such as removing anyone from the page, including you. So when you ensure that this has been turned on, you go ahead and tap on give access. If you skip this step, it will not be possible at all. So you have to ensure that you turn on this button before you go ahead and tap on give access. Then you tap on give access at the bottom. Then it will ask you to enter your profile password. That is the password for your account, not the page. The page doesn't have an account. Remember, you created the page because you already have a Facebook account. So it is the password for your Facebook account that you enter in here. Go ahead and confirm it. And once you confirm it, the person will be given complete access to the page. If you got value in this video, do well to like, share and subscribe. Also turn on the notification button so you don't miss out of my subsequent content. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in my next video. Later.